gone as far as I can go with the walnut that I had left over in my shop from a previous project. I don't have enough to make the drawers for this one, so I'm going to take this dresser and set it aside, and you'll just know that later on it's going to end up looking like this one. But I will finish this one out right now. And since I don't have any more walnut left, it's going to be a two-tone wood dresser now. This is for me, it's not for a customer, so I have the final say on what it looks like, and I think it's going to look good. So I have a spare sheet of birch plywood, cut it in half, half for this and half for this. I'll set the birch plywood half sheet with this and set it all aside. I'll take the other half and I'll make my faces out of this, and it's going to be nice because the wood grain will all match here and the wood grain will all match here. Sometimes in my shop, if I'm making things for myself, I use what I have here. I don't buy stuff. I use what I have left over from projects. I let it build up over time, and then I'll just make something for myself. And this is something that I've been needing for about 4 years. I don't have a dresser at home, and I didn't have enough to make a really long dresser. That's why I made 2 4-foot dressers. So I think it's gonna look nice when it's all said and done. I hope. I'm gonna live with it either way. You guys may hate it, but I'm gonna love it because I get to put my clothes in something now. Okay, so let's whack this birch up, get the faces on, get the pulls on, and we'll see what it looks like. I better get some glue on the damn thing so that doesn't keep happening. You've also seen me use this Star Bond in my videos and on Instagram. I put some of the glue on the right slides, but I didn't put any on the left side so I could adjust them if I needed to match the right. Over here, I glued the right, didn't glue the left so I could match just like the other side. But I'm also going to use it to glue the faces on. So easy to use, I can't get away from it. Little clear coat, and I'll be done with it. I like it. Let me know what you think about the two-tone. I think it's good. I think it matches nice. I'll get the second one finished up in a couple of weeks, get that to the house as well, and clear coat that one as well at the end, and we'll be all done.